The Ace series is back for real, but this time it is not under the Oppo brand. The new handset from the lineup, announced a few days ago, is the OnePlus Ace. So the Ace series was transferred to OnePlus. Also, the Ace Racing Edition model was recently introduced, and today I wanted to compare it with the latest generation of Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus. Just like its predecessors, the new device is a flagship killer, offering high-end specifications at an affordable price. Soon, the handset will be launched in the global market. While waiting for its global launch, we decided to compare it to the best and most handset by Xiaomi in the same price range when it comes to the flagship killers. This is a comparison between the specifications of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus and the OnePlus Ace Racing Edition. The OnePlus Ace Racing Edition came to the market with a brand new design. It comes with two different textures on the rear side and a singular camera module. It also comes with flat borders like the latest iPhones. It is definitely more elegant and original than the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus. Further, it is even thinner than the Xiaomi flagship killer. That is the reason why it wins the design comparison. But you should not underestimate the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus due to its build quality. It has the IP53 certification, making it dust resistant and splash resistant, as well as a glass back and a front glass protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The OnePlus Ace Racing Edition and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus are close when it comes to the display quality. The OnePlus Ace Racing Edition is interesting in terms of color reproduction because its IPS panel is able to show up to 1 billion colors. The display has a diagonal of 6.6 inches, a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus also offers Full HD Plus resolution, so you get a higher level of detail. And besides the HDR10 standard, it supports Dolby Vision. But Xiaomi will have a higher refresh rate, which is 144Hz. That is, the Xiaomi screen will be a little but better. The OnePlus Ace Racing Edition has a slightly better hardware department because of its processor. It is fueled by the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max, an upgraded version of the MediaTek Dimensity 8100, found on the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus, which improves the AI performance. But consider that CPU and GPU performance remains the same. With the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus, you can also get more internal storage, up to 512 gigs, while the Ace Racing Edition flagship killer stops at 256 gigs in its most expensive version. Both the handsets run Android 12 with highly customized and updated user interfaces on top, the UI 13 and ColorOS 12.1, respectively. As for the camera, they are identical for both models of smartphones. For example, this is a 64-megapixel main module. The secondary sensors are also the same. An 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2-megapixel macro lens. Even the front cameras are the same with 16-megapixel sensors. If you are looking for longer battery life, then go for the Ace Racing Edition without thinking twice. It is equipped with a huge 5000 mAh battery, one of the biggest ones found on a flagship killer. But if you prefer having the fastest charging technology in the world, then go for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus. Its 4400 mAh battery supports 120-watt fast charging. Currently, the OnePlus Ace Racing Edition and Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus are only available in China. The former sells for $299 in its base variant, while the latter starts from $355. The OnePlus Ace Racing Edition comes with a bigger battery and a slightly better processor. At the same time, Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus will have a better screen with its 144Hz refresh rate, and it will also have faster battery charging time with a 120-watt adapter. Which one would you pick? Thank you for watching this video. I hope this comparison was useful for you, so do not forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.